What's up, my loves? Welcome, and what's up, my bum and subscriber squad? Yeah. What's cackalack boo? How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? Girl, I am doing spectacular because today is Ipsy day. That could be good or bad. You never know. Today, guys, we're going to be doing my Ipsy PR unboxing. This is going to show you what you can expect in your Glam bag and Glam bag plus for the month of October. So if you're interested in seeing that, you know what to do. Don't you move. Stay your ass right there. Oh, babe, make sure you like, share, and subscribe because it is free. Thanks. All right, loves. Welcome. As I said, I'm your girl, Tonyanicole. I'm gonna try not to stutter through this video. Y'all look. Y'all like the shirt? I'm giving Victorian vampire vibes today. Ooh, she's a vibe. Ooh, she's a vibe. Okay. I'm getting carried away. Today, we're gonna be doing Ipsy's PR box. This will give you guys just a general overview of what you can expect in your boxes. I don't have a drink today, y'all, but I do want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for your support. I love you guys. Now, let's get some specs on this little box here and unbox it. Ipsy has 3 subscriptions. There's their Glam bag that went up to $13 a month. You have that you're going to get 5 products in there that sample deluxe size with the occasional full-size product in that bag. You also have the Glam bag plus that just recently increased their price to $28, and you're going to get 5 full-size beauty products in that box. And then you have the Glam bag X that is every 3 months. So November will be the next one. Next month, my birthday month. Hey! And that one is $55, and Huda is going to do the takeover for that box. So I'm very excited about that. I do have the Glam bag and the plus in this little box here. So we're going to do the Glam bag first and then the plus after. If you guys want to sign up for Ipsy, the link is down below. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo, a dance break. Oh, so 'tis the season for price increases, huh? Okay, Ipsy is just like BoxyCharm. I'm gonna need them to come a little better with their products if they're gonna be doing these price increases because, you know, my little box hasn't been looking too hot. You know, my personal box, it just hasn't. You know, let's cut a baby open. What y'all think about these price increases, guys? Let me know, please. All right, inside it says discover yourself. Oh, Jesus. That's all the products there. I'm gonna set this down, and y'all know I don't have any prices for these. It's just gonna be like a quick little unboxing, and that's gonna be that. Cool, let's get started. First of all, I wanna say this is the bag for the month of October. This is what I like. This is definitely giving me vampire vibes, which y'all know I think I'm a vampire, right? I love the black with the green inside. The green lining, and there's lips with the vampire teeth, black lipstick. Okay. First product, guys, is from M2U NYC, and this is an eye primer. I hope you guys can see it. My lights are a little too bright today. This looked like a full-size product. I'm not sure if it is or isn't, but I haven't used M2U's eye primers before. Happy to see it. I really don't use them, but for Halloween, if I really want my makeup to get that, you know, real good stick, I'll use an eye primer. So that's our first product. Next product is nice and bubble wrapped like that. And let's open her up. It looks like a baby palette. This is from Cella, and this is the Cella and Bella Beauty Hello Beautiful palette. Ooh, and it is very pretty. Look at that. Nice fall colors, a brown, like I don't know what kind of brown that would be. And 2 shimmer shades. I do like this palette. Very cute. I think you can actually use this palette for a lot of quick little on-the-go looks. I do like that. And then we have from Guilty Pleasure. Oh, it's a lip gloss. Okay. The shade is Guilty Pleasure. This is from, Rinna Beauty, R-I-N-N-A. And this is the Guilty Pleasure lipstick. Okay, that's how it looks. I am gonna open it. I'm not gonna swatch it though. That's what the little applicator looks like. And it's like a peachy color. It's pretty though, very pretty. I'm not gonna swatch it because I'll just probably put this in a giveaway, but this is really pretty. I really like that shade, gorgeous. All right, next product is from Way. This is the Detox Shampoo. It's for all hair types. You get 30 milliliters of product in here. So we got a detoxing shampoo. And then the last one out the bag is from Tatcha, and this is the Dewy Skin Cream right here. And let's open it up. Ooh, look at that. It's a pretty lavender color cream. It's really light, but I do like Tatcha. Very happy to see that. So these 5 products came in our Glam bag. I am thinking that this is a full-size product, and this, I don't know which ones are supposed to be in which, I don't know guys, but these are the 5 that were in the bag. So let's move on to the plus. I'm gonna do final thoughts on everything at the end of the video. All right, this is the bag, the drawstring bag for the month for the Glam Bag Plus. This is, you know, cute. I'm feeling it, I'm digging it. Anything that's black, y'all know I love. So first up we have from Murad, and this is the Renewing Eye Cream. Right here you do get 15 milliliters of product. I have been using these all over my face, like underneath my eyes, on my smile lines, and my neck. I've just been using eye creams everywhere. Since we get so many of them, I just like to use them all over because, I mean, you can always use help everywhere, right? Y'all know I'm getting old, but I'm forever young. Next we got from Butter. This is a vitamin C serum. I'm definitely going to use this. I love a good vitamin C serum. I am using one currently, so I will not open this one. This one is for your daily dose of brightening and antioxidant. I'm crazy. You get 1 fluid ounce of product in here, my loves, and yeah, so you're gonna apply 4 to 5 drops to your freshly cleansed and dried face. You're gonna massage it in a circular motion over your face, neck, and cheeks, or any problem areas that you have. Allow to absorb for 1 minute, and then you're gonna follow with a moisturizer. So happy to see this. Next we have from Il Makiage, and this is their High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara right here in the shade, I'm sure it's black. I think, do I have this? I don't know. I think I do. That's what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful wand, and that's the wand right there. I do love their products. I have a mascara from theirs, I think, that I've been using. I don't know where it's at, y'all. Got so much shit on this table, but I do like their mascaras. They're nice, they separate, add volume. Love it. And y'all, I forgot about the little card. The theme for the month is Pretty Wicked. Oh, I love it because I really think that I am pretty wicked. Yeah, boo. Okay. That's all I need to say. Next up, guys, is from Jekka Black. This is the Play Pots. Okay, that's what it looks like right there. I guess it's like an eyeshadow palette. I don't know. Let me see. Large pots encourage you to use makeup brushes or your fingertips to apply the handy oh, this is the shade Gold to Touch. This is a highlighter. Oh, no, it's not. What is this? Oh, so it's like a balm, guys. That's what it looks like. And when I spread it, oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I could use that on my lips a little bit. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I really like that. I think it's a highlighter though. Let me make sure. It doesn't say. Gold Touch. I guess you can use it anywhere you like. Well, I'm going to use it on my lips. It said be creative, so that's what it looks like. You really can't see it, but it's very pretty. That's the shade right there, loves. Oh, I like this. Okay, I like this. All right, so we have a couple more products. Next up is from Dermalect right here, and this is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Self-Esteem. Ooh, the bottle is like blood. I love it. So it says this is an overnight treatment for, let's see, focus on the fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores. Great for aging spots or an uneven skin tone. Okay, so you're gonna apply this at night, guys. It's a Self-Esteem Beauty Serum. I guess it's supposed to raise your self-esteem. I don't know. You do get 1 fluid ounce of product in here. It has a little dropper. I won't open it, but I'll test it out. I mean, can't do too much, I guess. I don't know. And then the last product is from Theory Body, and this is the Detoxifying Charcoal Body Scrub right here. And you get 45 milliliters of product. It's made with Binko, I don't know what that says, white charcoal, argan oil, and marlula oil. That is wrong. You're just gonna gently massage this all over your body, baby. And it is sealed up, my loves. And the last thing that I see is this beautiful gold scarf, I guess. I'm not sure what this is, a head wrap. I don't know what this is, but they put this in the box, so I'm very excited to use it. I'll put it, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's beautiful, silky, satiny like gold cloth. All right, so these 6 products were in my Glam bag, plus, oh, and this little cloth thing right there. So we're gonna do some final thoughts for you guys. Final thoughts with the Glam bag. I thought that it was a pretty decent bag. They gave us a nice variety. We got like a lipstick, eye primer. We got some pretty decent things in a Glam bag. The plus was okay, not a lot of makeup this month, only the mascara and the highlighting balm thing. So yeah, Ipsy has been skincare heavy the last few months, and with the price increase, again, whenever you start increasing your prices, people are going to want more. It's just human nature. And I think that Ipsy should really stick to the quizzes, because you know, they have a very detailed quiz and it lets you know what you don't like, what you like, and I think that they should focus more on that. As I told you guys, my choice items have been like skincare heavy, and I've changed my quiz numerous times. I do appreciate Ipsy sending me over this PR package, but I just want, you know, going forward for them to, you know, follow our quizzes, because not everybody needs eye cream every month. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's my thoughts on that. I don't really know how to feel, but you guys let me know how you feel about it. Let me know how you feel about the increase. I did do BoxyCharm yesterday, so please check that out, guys. If you have not done so, please subscribe to our family. Give this video a big thumbs up if this is the content that you like from your girl. Follow me on social media. Everything is linked down below. Ipsy, thank you for sending me over this PR package. I greatly appreciate you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. All of my social media, guys, is down below as well. Love you guys dearly. Be safe. Take care. Bye.